Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina. I'm here with my next topic, and the topic is Sah-Astitva. Coexistence. The world is full of diversity. There are different nations, cultures, religions, communities, languages, and beliefs. The beauty of existence can be maximized if everything in this world is in harmony. Peaceful, symbiotic coexistence is the key to harmony in the world. For peaceful coexistence to occur in a diverse society, the following must happen. People must recognize that traditional interpretations of peaceful coexistence are outdated. Second, governments and individuals must recognize that society need not be homogeneous or institutionalized to serve an important purpose for people. Third, members of varying cultures, countries, and faiths must learn to respect the traditions, beliefs, and boundaries of one another. Fourth, religion and politics must be separate. And fifth, people must agree to disagree regarding certain moral values and beliefs and come to recognize that others can be different from them and yet be equally capable in their own unique manner. The above mentioned goal is not only comprehensive but also universal, equally applicable to all human beings and for all times. Thank you.